Hey everyone! Today we're going to be making ginger syrup and we're going to be needing some sugar as well as some ginger. Now when it comes to the ginger, you can chop them up, you can crush them up, or you can even grate them. Of course, when you grate them, you have to make sure that when you're sieving them, you make sure you don't get any bits. Now once you've chopped your ginger, you're going to put your sugar and water into a pan. We're making a simple syrup, so it's 1 part of sugar to 1 part of water. And then we're going to put our chopped ginger in there. Let that simmer gently until we get all that ginger flavor out. And so once we're all done, you can see the color of the syrup has turned a bit darker. That's from the ginger. We're simply going to pass that through a sieve into a bottle, and that is basically your ginger syrup done. Of course, at this point, you can turn this into ginger ale. Ginger ale is basically just some ginger syrup, and then you can add some club soda or sparkling water or soda water and turn that into a delicious, refreshing ginger ale. Syrup already, ginger ale already. They've got 2 recipes in one, really easy. The full recipe, as usual, up on gingerandseasalt.com. And I hope that you enjoyed this short video. And I will see you on the next one.